Okay, we're going to look at PAA 3.2. It's going to be in two parts. The first one we're going to look at is the distributive property. There's times where you can pick if you have to use it. Uh, we're going to go with those first. So you don't always have to use the distributive property, but if you do, this is how you use it. There's going to be a number on the outside of the parentheses, and you're going to multiply that number times both of the things inside the parentheses. For this, that's 4 times 3x, and 4 times, I'm going to say positive 2x. Just make sure you keep the sign to the left of that number. It's going to help you get these done fast. So you multiply 4 times 3x, that's 12x. 4 times 2 is 8x. When you add them up, you get 20x. The thing is, on this one, you don't have to do the distributive property because you can add 3x plus 2x since they both have an x, and that equals 5x. And then you do 4 times 5, and that's 20x. Same thing, different way to do it. We'll do another one where you have a choice. So usually when you have a choice, you're going to be looking inside the parentheses. So for this one, it's negative 2 times 2x minus 5x. I'm going to go ahead and highlight the different parts, and we'll go ahead and distribute first. So that's negative 2 times 2x, and then negative 2 times, we'll say negative 5x. When you multiply those, negative 2 times 2 is negative 4, and then put the x. Negative 2 times negative 5 is positive 10, and then add the x. And then you could do negative 4 plus 10, and that's 6x. Or you can, at the very beginning, you can add together the two things that have x, like we just did there, and you'd get negative 2 times 2 minus 5 is negative 3x. And then you do negative 2 times negative 3, and you get 6x. Different ways, same answer. This is the time where you have to do it. So there's those two examples where when you had a choice, this is when you have to. You'll see something like negative 2 times a minus 3. You can't add together the a and the minus 3. So since you can't put those together, you're going to have to use the distributive property. So we're going to do negative 2 times a, and then we're going to do negative 2 times negative 3. Negative 2 times a is negative 2a. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. Put those together, and that's your answer. We'll do another one where you have to use it. 5 minus 2a. It doesn't have to be the letter a. It's just what I want to pick right now. So you got 5 out front, and then times the first thing is 3, and then 5 times the second thing, which is negative 2a. The first one is 15. The second thing is 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. Put the a, and you're done. That's the time where you have to use it. We'll do a couple more, maybe one more here. Pay attention to inside the parentheses. That'll tell you if you have to use it. But, I mean, if you can use it, you can use it whenever you want. So this is negative 4, and then times the first thing, that's negative 2x. And then negative 4 times the second thing, that's positive 6. Negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8. Negative 4 times 6 is negative 24. Write those right next to each other, and you're done. We'll look at 1/2 times 2x plus 6. It's got a fraction. It really doesn't matter. So you highlight the three parts. You got 1/2 out front, and then it's times 2x, and then 1/2 times the positive 6. So 1/2 times 2, type it into the calculator, it's 1, and then you just put the x. 1/2 times 6 is positive 3, and you're done. That's really all there is to the distributive property. Make sure you use the calculator as much as you need to.